Hello students, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into question number 2, bit 4 from exercise 1.4 of chapter 1 called real numbers. So let's see what we exactly have in question number 2, bit 4. In question number 2, bit 4, it is given that we need to find the decimal expansion of the terminating rational number 15 by 1600. So let's see how we can solve this question. Solution. We are going to calculate here the decimal expansion of the below given rational number, and the number is 15 by 1600. And guys, we already did this one in question number 1, and we very well know that this number is a terminating rational number, and as a result its denominator is of the form 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m. Guys, this type of numbers are very easy to solve as the denominator will be of the form 10 because 2 into 5 and its multiples. If we divide or multiply any number with 10 or its multiples, we can verbally tell it its result. Like if I multiply 5 into 10, I can say it's 50, or 5 into 1000 it is 5000. Similarly, if I divide 6 by 10, I can say 0.6, or if I divide 6 by 100, I can say 0.06. So it's very easy to find out. Now let's find out the factors of the denominator, that is 1600. So in order to find the denominator, so we are just factorizing the number 1600, and let's see what we are getting. Now 1600 is divisible by 2 and I am getting 800, and 800 is divisible by 2 and I am getting 400. Now 400 is divisible by 2, I am getting 200. 200 is divisible by 2, I am getting 100. 100 is divisible by 2, I am getting 50. 50 is divisible by 2, I am getting 25. Now 25 is divisible by 5, I am getting 5. Now 5 is divisible by 5 itself and I am getting 1. So here our factorization stops. Now I can represent the number 1600 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, which is nothing but 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2. Or I can say 15 by 1600 is equal to 15 by 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2. Guys, now we got the denominator as 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2. Now let us equalize the denominator let us bring the denominator to the form 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. So already we have 2 to the power 6 and 5 to the power 2. Now let's make 5 to the power 2 as 5 to the power 6. So in order to make 5 to the power 6, we need to multiply the denominator with 5 to the power 4. And guys, we cannot as it is multiply with the denominator with 5 to the 4. For that reason we need to multiply 5 to the power 4 in the numerator too. So let's multiply 5 to the power 4 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Now after multiplying, our new equation becomes 15 into 5 to the power 4 by 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 4. Further solving this, we are getting 15 into 625. 625 is nothing but 5 to the power 4 in the numerator, and in the denominator we are getting 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. And further solving, we are getting 9375 by 10 to the power 6. And I can write that 9375 by 1 6 zeros, that means 10 lakhs. And now looking at the number, we can easily tell that this is what 0.009375, because we are dividing 9375 with 10 lakhs. So we are putting our decimal after 6 places. Hence the decimal expansion of 15 by 1600 is 0.009375. Hope guys you understood this calculation. If you still have any questions, kindly reach out to me in the comment section of this video. I will definitely get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, kindly subscribe and let your friends know. Thank you. Bye.